Manipur's ethnic conflict, which erupted in early May, hasn't ended. The conflict has had a deep impact on businesses, with many having to take loans to sustain their livelihoods. The Crossing Line channel spoke to one of the businessmen to get an understanding of the situation on the ground. One of the businessmen said, "Our business is severely affected, and our supply chain is frequently disrupted by the blockades, resulting in heavy loss, pushing us to take loans from the banks to survive." The Métis narrative on the Métis-Kuki clash is multifaceted and involves a combination of historical, cultural, and political aspects. The Crossing Line channel attempts to summarize the main points of the Métis perspective on this issue. The Métis have a long history and rich cultural heritage. They are one of the original inhabitants of Manipur, tracing their lineage back to ancient times. The Métis is known for their unique language, customs, and arts. The Métis contend that the Kuki's actions have led to the marginalization and displacement of the Métis from their ancestral lands. They highlight instances of violence and land grabbing by the Kuki community, which they perceive as a threat to their cultural identity and way of life. The Métis also argue that the Kuki's demand for a separate Kuki homeland within Manipur infringes upon the territorial integrity of the state and threatens the political integrity of the Métis. They contend that the demand for a separate homeland undermines the historical and constitutional rights of the Métis and other communities who have coexisted in Manipur. In response to the clashes, the Métis have called for the preservation of their cultural heritage, protection of their lands, and territorial integrity of Manipur. They emphasize the need for dialogue and peaceful solutions to resolve the underlying issues and promote coexistence among different communities in the state. Meanwhile, the economy of the state has severely damaged. The state government has asked the center to grant rupees 600 crores advance in tax share to navigate difficult position, flagging a revenue loss amounting to rupees 575 crore over the past 5 months. Due to the ethnic clashes in Manipur, CM Biren Singh has approached the center, requesting a 3-month advance of the state's share in central taxes to navigate through this difficult position. This is the Crossing Line channel. Narrating for you,